Okay, team, let's see how this works. I want to teach you another dance that I hope we can do in middle of January, because the reading about the Hebrew people leaving Egypt and going into the Promised Land is contained in that week's Parsha. That will be the third Saturday in January. The song I'm about to demonstrate to you comes from Psalm 114, and I would encourage you to read that. It's only 8 quick verses, but it deals with them being freed from bondage. The song is called Tremble, O Earth. The group is Teshuva, and the parts are a little different than what we normally do, but they aren't hard. The steps themselves you will know, just in different combinations. So I want to start out with the first one, and the parts are small. They're really short parts, so they'll be easy to remember. I'm going to do from the side so you can see what I'm doing on this one. But I'm going to start out with a right back Yemenite. And a back Yemenite, as a refresher, start with, this is the right one, you're going to start with your right foot comes back, straight back. Left foot will come straight back to join it. So now your feet are together again. Then you'll repeat that going forward, right, left. So back right Yemenite is simply back, back, front, front. There's an arm movement with this one, and you're going to need to lock your elbow unless you have some kind of physical condition that makes it painful to do so, but you'll get the greatest impact if you keep that elbow straight in the song. There's several places we do this. We do different movements that you'll need straight elbows for, that are possible. And this one starts out as you go back with your right foot. You're going to take your hand and push, like you're pushing something away. Then come back and join it with the left, and goes down. Then front, front. So it's back, back, front, front. Then we'll face you so you can see what I'm doing. Then we'll just do a simple touch right, bring the left, step to the right, touch with the left. Then step to the left, touch with the right. Then you'll do a right turn and a left turn, 4-point turns. Hands go up, 1, 2, 3, clap and touch on 4. Repeat that to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the first little part. So put together, it looks like this: back, back, front, front, step, touch, turn, 2, 3, clap, left, 2, 3, clap. So all those steps you already know. The second part, and the second time through, the order shifts a little bit, but in the first part, you'll do this little move that really is, think about this one. Actually, I think you do your ponies next on this one. Anyway, don't worry about the order right now. I'm going to show it to you with the ponies piece of it next. And then we'll do the side to the other side. So it'll be a right front pony or horse step if you prefer that term. So right, left, and travel a little bit forward, but not a lot. And then you're going to come back for 4 steps back to your starting position. So however far you go forward, you need to go turn it and reverse it and go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's pony, pony, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the next piece is a side to the other side to the left, and this one's fun. And you'll hear with the music why I'm doing it this way. It may look funny at first, but you're going to start to the right, so your left hand will go behind your back, right hand up with the thumb like you're hitchhiking, and your feet are just going to be step, together, step, touch, step, together, step, touch. So when you go into the right, you're going to be doing this, and you're going to look in the direction you're heading in. So it's 1, 2, 3, touch, shift to the left. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch. Left, 2, 3, touch. So pretty simple so far. The next step or combination, we all know that little pivot step we do like this. I'm going to modify it a little bit, make it really dramatic. And this is where we need those locked arms. So we step out, we're going to come up with our arms, and we're going to do this number like this as we're going into it. So 1, 2, hands down, 3, 4. Then we're going to follow it by Cherkassia, and we're going to use presentation arms. Again, as we come out of that presentation, Get those elbows straight and bring it on around. Circle it around, okay? And you do that 4 times. So it's 1, and as you're doing this, act almost like you're pushing, like there's a curtain or something in front of you and you're trying to push your way through it. So make it really dramatic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cherkassia, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cherkassia, 2, 3, 4. And then you'll do it 2 more times for a total of 4. There's a little piece that I'll show you when we get together. It's going to be really, really easy. That's going to be a big part of the music. It's really just kind of following each other and putting our hands up and picking up our steps, our pace in an oval. And what I did forget to tell you is this will be a presentation dance, which means we'll be facing the audience instead of facing inside of a circle. We'll have 2 lines. We'll be staggered. So it'll be 1 person here, person there, person there, person there, all the way down the line. So when we get to the part where we do the oval, everybody will just turn. If you're on the front row, you'll do a quarter pivot to the right to go clockwise. If you're on the back row, you'll do a quarter pivot to the left, follow the person ahead of you, and then go in a clockwise direction. And that one's going to be really easy, so we don't need to rehearse that right now. The ending of it, we're going to be taking that side together side that we did and modify it just a little bit. And we've actually done this in a couple of dances, so people that have been with the dance team for a while will recognize this one very quickly. So it's side together, side, and then rock back. Your left foot, come back, then side together, side, rock, back, side together, side, rock, back, left together, left, rock, back, close. And that close is going to be on that last note of the music, and it's really dramatic if you can get it timed right. Those are the steps. I will do a demo dance so that you can see the whole thing in action, and look forward to doing it with you.